My wife has hidden cache crate boxes all over this house. The first clue says, ready for dinner?
Old Man Winter. Old Man Winter. Makes me oh so cold I have to sip my coffee.
That's hot. Hey everybody, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I'm here to unbox, oh my gosh, the cache crate. Let's face it, here in the Northern Hemisphere, it is very, very chilly. Doesn't always make me super motivated to go outside and go geocaching, but the good news is with the cache crate, it's kind of like geocaching inside. You kind of get that experience of what it's like to geocache every month when I open it up, because this is a subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance packs up geocaching goodies for you, and they're mailed right to your door, and I open them on camera so you can see what it's like. Not only that, but I also have an envelope from Geocaching Tees. This is a geocaching t-shirt subscription service where I get a t-shirt mailed to me every month, a geocaching shirt. So normally first I unbox the cache crate, but this time we're gonna go with the geocaching tee first. I'm not sure what number shirt this is. I think this might be my 4th shirt, but this was mailed on January 4th, 2021. Here we go. You're gonna get to see the color before I do. So first, let's do the color. You get to see the color. Ooh, we got a periwinkle blue. It's like my walls over here. I'm gonna match the walls. And you're gonna get to see the design before I do. There she is. Bum, 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 bum. What's on here? It's a New Year's shirt, guys. It says, ready for geocaching New Year. All right, I'm gonna wear this geocaching shirt for the rest of the video. Here we go. I'm gonna match the walls. 1, 2, 3, boom! Yes, there it is. Oh, it's soft as usual. Looks good, looks good. It's great to like pose with your like biceps. I don't know about you, but I love getting geocaching mail. So if you're interested in geocaching tees, go to geocachingtees.com and you can subscribe there and you can get fashion, geocaching fashion sent to your door every single month. All right, it is now time to open the January cache crate. Sounds like fun. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Mac the knife. There's where I cut. Now I kind of mixed up the contents in here, but you get to see the presentation first, which I probably messed up a little bit. What's in there? Waterproof match case. Oh my gosh, these are perfect for geocaches. They fit a golf pencil very nicely. They're waterproof and excellent cache containers. I've also seen these stuck into other hosts, so these are very useful. We got a geocache. This next thing is essential. You need it as a geocacher. You need to have it in your bag because you might lose power in your GPS. You might be in the middle of the woods. And so having a glow-in-the-dark compass, I love that it has a little carabiner here so you can attach it to the outside of your bag. An essential item to bring while you're geocaching. So we got a geocaching container and we got something to take along geocaching. This is called Cinch-a-Lot. You can cinch this around things like, and so you don't lose it, like while you're out hiking, while you're out geocaching. Like, for example, look at this. You can cinch it around your phone. On the top here, it also has a little thing for like a keychain, so you can cinch your keys to it. You could also cinch a geocache and you can hang it in a tree. Multi-uses, Cinch-a-Lot. Ding! Oh, this is useful. This is useful. We got something called the Spotlit. It's a light. You can attach it also to your keys. Let's try it. Ooh, that's cool. I can imagine if you're night caching and you're like hiking out in the woods and you want to like see the person in front of you, like if everybody has these on their bags, so you can like see the people in the woods. I think there's a lot of uses for this. It has replaceable batteries, it's water resistance, it glows or it flashes. It flashes. So you can have like your own little rave in the woods. We got something that glows. You can attach it to your bag again. You can attach it to your keys. Apparently it gives off a lot of light and it also recharges. In the Northern Hemisphere, we are in our dark days. So I'm wondering if Lisa put a lot of like glowing dark things because this is the dark time of year to cache. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite thing in the crate. It's a cache crate pin or button. I'm a fan. Have you noticed? I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the buttons. Look at Look at, I have a Geocaching Tees button right over there. And as you know, if you watch these unboxing videos before, I always get the add-on trackable, which is always a treat. I mean, who doesn't love another trackable, a geocoin, a trackable tag? Oh my gosh, this is going to add to the collection. It's another dinosaur geocoin. Oh my gosh, it's the king of the dinosaur world. It's Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh my gosh, that is gorge. Who doesn't love a nice shiny? And then here is the other side. I'm gonna put this in my geocoin display case with the other two dinosaurs that I got. Yes. And of course, I got my bingo sticker for my bingo card. And if I get several bingos, I post it to the Cache Crate Facebook group and I could win a prize. And included in the Cache Crate always is the bill of lading. It explains everything that you received and what you can actually use it for. So a big theme on flashing and glowing things this month. If you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. And if it's open, you can subscribe. And if it's not, you can join the waiting list. And Lisa, she's so nice. She'll email you and let you know when you can jump on board. One of the things I love about the Cache Crate is that it always inspires me to get outside. But let's be honest, today it is below 0 Fahrenheit. And so it's not gonna be very comfortable to get outside. But good news, when you get the Cache Crate, you get all these sweet boxes. So here's what you can do. Here's an idea. I'm gonna have my wife hide the Cache Crate around the house and I'm gonna look for it. It's like geocaching in my own house. Let's go! Hey guys, it's Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and it is so cold outside, I don't want to go out there. But that shouldn't stop me from geocaching. My wife has hidden Cache Crate boxes all over this house. The first clue says, ready for dinner? Could it be? Could it be? Yes! Cache Crate found! It's time for a Cache Pants dance. This next one is called Ready for Fun and Games. I know just where it could be. Let's go! Oh my gosh, I think I spotted it. It's in the claw machine. Let's claw it. Come on. No. Get that corner. Oh, no. I'm feeling good about this one, guys. Come on, get it. Oh! No! We'll just do this. Found it! Hey, you play the game how you want to play the game, right? This last one is called Play Me Some Music. I know just where to look. Oh my gosh! This one is tough to grab. Got it. I hope you get out there, find some geocaches, and if not, use the Cache Crate boxes to have some fun inside. All right, guys, go over here. You can watch another video, and I'll meet you over there. I'll be there. I'll be there.